In this video, I'm going to use a combination to help find a probability. Liam, Michael, Luke, and Jimmy are going to play video games this afternoon. Together they have 37 video games. If they decide to randomly choose 4 video games, what is the probability that the 4 they choose will consist of each of their favorite video games? Assume they have different favorites. Okay, so the first thing I would do for a problem like this is I would go ahead and find the denominator. The denominator is going to represent the case where we choose 4 videos out of 37. And in this problem, order doesn't matter. It's like generating a subset, similar to a jury selection problem or a lotto ticket problem. Okay, so I have 37 videos, and I want to choose 4. Okay, if you want to use the formula by hand, that's going to be 4 factorial over 37 minus 4 factorial. Or you could use your calculator's built-in combination function. Okay, when I calculated that, I got 66,045 different subsets of 4 out of 37. Now, the numerator is going to be just one of those combinations. Okay, there's only one way to get 4 videos that happen to be their favorites. If you wanted to reason using a counting principle, you could use the fundamental counting principle. I like to abbreviate that as FCP, where the events or tasks are selecting each boy's favorite video. Now, I'm assuming that each boy only has one favorite video, and the order really doesn't matter here. We could rearrange all of this and still come up with the same value. Okay, there's one favorite for Luke, one favorite for Mike. Sorry, who's first? Oh, Liam. One favorite for Liam, one favorite for Michael, one favorite for Luke, one favorite for Jimmy. And with the fundamental counting principle, we just multiply straight across. Okay, so putting this all together, the probability that we randomly select 4 videos that are their favorites out of 37 is going to be 1 out of 66,045. Now you can convert that to a decimal. It's going to be pretty small. Okay, when I put this in my calculator, I get something expressed in scientific notation. Okay, so to write this carried out, let's say, to 3 decimal places, okay, you don't want to put the E in your answer. It's going to be 1.514, okay, rounding to 3. Now, this by itself is not a valid probability. Okay, we need to keep in mind that we're multiplying by 10 to the negative 5th power. So 10 times 10 to the negative 5th. Or if you wanted it in non-scientific notation, you could put in 4 leading zeros and then out to 4 significant digits.